We're north of the Memorial Church, just behind me here, and we've been working in this area for 2 months now. We started it with our archaeological field school in the first part of June, and they found a number of interesting features. Some have been highlighted by our students in the past video, including some of the furrows related to early farming here at James Fort. And then one of the most interesting things is how few other features besides those farming furrows have been in this area. One of the most surprising things is how few graves we have found in this area. So far we've identified 7 that are north of the church wall here, and that's in contrast to the east and south side of the church, in which we've found hundreds of burials. The most hallowed ground associated with the churchyard would have been that east side because of its location against that east wall, where on the other side would have been the altar, and therefore would have been more hallowed ground. This north side would have been a lot less hallowed. There are no entrances on this north side of the church, so therefore it would have been less frequented, and therefore a less desirable place in which to bury some of the colonists here. And it could be that they're adhering to older traditions in which they bury fewer people on that north side right through the 17th century and while these churches are in use. A lot of times the north side is reserved for the suicides, murderers, undesirables in society at the time. That might be the case with these 7 burials that we have here, or it might just be a case of running out of space in which to bury people because the churchyard is filling up. One of the last jobs that we needed to do in this area was to put in a test into our planting furrows that we have in the area, just to see the depth on them and to get a good profile of them. So we put in a 1 by 10-foot test to get profiles for 4 of the furrows in place, to get them photographed, to get them mapped, and found that in the area in which we did the test, the furrows were no more than about 1 inch deep. Okay, as we've headed closer to the north wall of the church, though, there's a lot more intact area, including some of the furrows, a couple more inches on the furrows. So we will be doing some more testing into the ones who seem more intact, and possibly testing them for phytoliths and other surviving seeds within them to let us know what the colonists were growing outside of the east wall of James Fort.